What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So every time I make a video, and I always use a stylus, a lot of people ask the question, Easy, what is this stylus that you use in your videos? Also, where can I get the stylus from, and does it work for multiple devices? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys some different type of styluses that I use on this channel. I got the LG V60 here. Right, that does have pen support. I got the LG Wing here that also have pen support. I got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now we all know that this device supports the pen. I got the Sony 1ii Mark II. This device does not support pen, and I have the Galaxy S20 FE. This device definitely doesn't support the pen, and I got an iPhone 12 Pro Max. We all know Apple iPhone does not support pen. All right. So I have a few different pens here. I got the bamboo ink pen, right? Now this bamboo ink pen works for the LG devices, the LG V60, the LG Velvet, the LG Wing, because it has pen support. I have the regular Galaxy stylus, which supports only the Galaxy Note devices, right? I also have a Samsung pen here. Now, I received this pen a few years ago from Samsung. I don't know where you can get this pen at. I'm not sure, but this was a gift from Samsung. Also, I have a universal pen here that I use in a lot of my videos. Shout out to Gigi Gadget Goddess. She put me onto this pen, and I will leave all these links in the description below besides this pen right here. So this pen here is supported with all devices, and these devices also that does not support pen. So I'm going to show you guys and give you my thoughts about using a pen and with supported devices and using a pen with non-supported devices. Sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the bamboo ink pen here. I made a video about this one, and this one here works very well. It's supported with the LG devices. Right, so I got the LG V60 here, and what the unique feature that this bamboo ink pen does is that since it's supported with the LG devices, you can actually do a one-click, and it brings up a menu. Let me make sure. Yep. So you do a one-click, it brings up a menu here. Also, with the LG Wing, it's supposed to LG Wing also, and it does do the one-click. To bring up a menu to do all your note type features on the LG devices. All right. Now, we all know that the Galaxy Note only supports the Galaxy S Pen, right? But it does not work on no other devices. This pen right here only works on Galaxy devices also. So this pen right here works only on Galaxy devices. All right. But this pen right here is a universal pen. Let me go ahead and open up the iPhone again because it timed out on me. So this pen right here works universal with all devices, including iPhones. So if you have a note app and you want to jot down notes, you can use this pen right here. This pen is universal, and what I like about this pen, it has a fine tip on it, so it does have a sharp tip on it, which you can get accuracy, which is really nice. So there it is. This pen works for the iPhone 12 Pro Max or any iPhone. This phone, it works on the Galaxy S20 FE. So yes, it works on the Galaxy S20 FE. All right, and here we go, Sony 1ii Mark II. It works on the Sony 1ii Mark II. Again, if you need to jot down notes, this is a universal pen. Now, the pros with this pen is that you can use it on any devices, tablets, phones, anything. It will work. You do have to charge it. And look, I haven't charged this in about a month, 2 months. It stays charged. So you don't have to worry about battery life on this pen, but you could charge it micro USB, charge it for about 15-20 minutes, and you get months of of charge, so no big deal there. The pros with this, it has nice gripability, nice health to it. It works really good, but it does not have palm rejection. All right, so just be mindful of that. So when you're using this pen on any one of these devices, you won't get palm rejection. All right, but it's about 20 bucks. So I mean, it is what it is. We all know that the Galaxy Pen does have palm rejection, but it only works on Samsung devices. Along with this pen right here, it also have palm rejection on your Galaxy devices. So this works very well. I don't know where to find this pen at. Somebody had hit me in the comments before and they told me, hey, they found this on eBay. I could not find this pen on Amazon, so I only trust Amazon. That's why, I can't, say, well, find this pen on eBay. I don't know. But the bamboo ink pen, you can find this pen at Best Buy. Also, you can find this pen on Amazon. This pen is a little pricey. I believe it's about 40 bucks, 35 to 40 bucks. So this pen is a little pricey. But what I like about this pen here, it mimics the Galaxy Note pen, because you do have features here which you can program the top part of the pen. So when you press the top, you can open up a menu. You can press the bottom, you can open up another app. So it works very well. And listen, especially for the LG Wing, and if you want to use it here, you can play around with it. Now, the only problem for using this pen on the LG Wing, it does not support the bottom display. It only supports the bigger display. So if you got an LG Wing and you want to get the bamboo ink pen, it only supports the main display, not the secondary display, just so you know. But it does have all the unique features what I really love. And just like with the Galaxy Note, you get the same pen functionality. It is really cool. It is really close to mimicking each other, believe it or not. I was shocked and surprised the way LG has ported over the Note-like features from the Stylo series to the flagship devices, which is great. So you do have all your pen functionality here on your LG flagships of 2020. So that is really good. So anything that you could do on your Galaxy Note, you definitely could do on the LG V60 or the LG 2020 devices, which is the LG Velvet, the LG Wing, and the LG V60. All right, so that is a great thing. And yes, you do get palm rejection using the bamboo ink pen on your LG devices. So for everybody that do not like Samsung devices and you are a LG fan and you do want to have Note features, there it is, right? So this right here mimics the Galaxy Note. And not only that, but the pen, the bamboo ink pen, is much better quality. It mimics a real pen versus the S Pen. I mean, it's like night and day when it comes down to both of these pens. I would take the bamboo ink pen over the Galaxy Note pen any day of the week. You guys asked the question, does this work on 2019 devices? No, this only work on 2020 devices. They bought the software for LG on the 2020 devices. This does not work on the LG G8 and the LG G7, the LG V40 and stuff like that. So no, this does not work on those devices. All right, this is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the stylus in all its glory along with these devices. See you guys on the next video. Peace.